Whoa! Ta-da! Beautiful! Hi, I'm Peggy. Thank you for tuning in, and we have Haylie.
Hi, I'm Haylie.
Before we start unboxing and swatching, we actually need a little favor from you.
Help us to pin our Instagram tag tabs in pink for our Jeju Cherry Blossom pink tags campaign. So for more details, you can check out our captions or description. Today, we'll be unboxing some new products that the entire office has been raving about. It's our very pretty, very lovely, very aesthetic Jeju Cherry Blossom collection. Yay!
This brightening product not just brightening, it also helps to hydrate your skin as well. Your favorite product?
Yeah, it's my favorite. Can I try on your hand?
Oh,
okay, I
mine.
think it's better on my hand. And what I love the most is actually the instant tone up effect. This one is applied with the tone up cream and this one's without. More supple, more dewy, and more glowing.
If you want to have a protection layer over, then you can put the tone up cream and followed by the sunblock.
I see.
Yeah, but
okay.
personally, I actually prefer to use it after sunblock to have more tone up effect.
It's still okay to apply at night, but just remember to remove it before you go to sleep.
Yeah, remember to double cleanse.
And how much is it?
90.
My gosh, that's so cheap.
That's so affordable.
Where to find such good quality products with this price? Woohoo! If you can see, like, it looks really transparent, like a jelly kind of texture, hence it explains the name jelly cream.
Because it's very lightweight, it's suitable for combination skin or oily skin. But if you have dry skin like us, this might not be enough.
Then this is the time for our Jeju Cherry Blossom Lotion.
So if you have extra, remember you can also apply on your skin.
Wow.
Yeah,
Really,
on your
really
body. Then you'll be like a walking cherry blossom.
To double up your tone up effect, we actually recommend you to use jelly cream and the tone up cream together.
Gives you the glass skin effect.
Yeah, like how the Korean beauty trend having a very dewy, glowing glass skin.
Mix them together. The portion is actually up to your personal preference. If you want to have more brightening effect, you can put more tone up cream. If you are a INNISFREE user, you should know skin is actually a toner. Yeah. So basically you use this after cleansing and the texture is just
it's
like,
really watery.
Yeah, it's very watery. You can actually layer it like maybe 2 to 3 layers for extra hydrating effect.
If I'm a dry skin user, how should I use it?
So you have to use the toner followed by the lotion and also the tone up cream. I have combination skin or oily skin. What should I use?
Use your toner and then use the jelly cream and lastly followed by the tone up cream as well.
Can I use them both together?
We don't recommend.
Yeah, it will be too thick.
Sensitive skin. Oh, good question.
Sensitive skin is actually a skin concern, not a skin type. And these are brightening products, so we would advise you to try it first in our store.
You can do a patch test first, so if your skin is okay with it, then you can buy. We always encourage you to try first before you buy.
Yep.
So after applying the toner cream, what should I do now?
Makeup! Actually, this project is actually picking the colors from Jeju. So literally, like whatever color that they pick, they will make it into a makeup collection.
Very aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
So this is basically
how many colors?
9 shades.
9 shades.
Yeah, 9 rosy shades. And for me, I personally like it because it's basically all in one. You have the matte, you have the shimmers, you have the glittering.
Not just eyeshadow, you can also use the color for blusher.
And even highlighters too.
Yes, basically you just need one palette for the whole makeup.
This is actually like a champagne gold. It's something that I would usually apply like for a simple day makeup.
Wow, I like this color.
Very
and it's selling at 115. It's very affordable for 9 shades.
9 shades.
Yeah.
You get all 9 shades in one palette.
Not cheap. This is No-Sebum mineral powder and it's pink now. You see, you can see the powder is transparent bottle.
So sweet.
It's so pretty. Whoa.
Oh,
the bit of
scent.
fruity scent.
Oh yes, the powder is actually slightly pinkish compared to the normal one.
I don't know why. Because it comes with light pink pearl powder. It's limited edition.
This is a luminizer.
Oh.
Basically, it's a highlighter. The texture is just very smooth, very bouncy. It's pigmented, but it's fine, and it's good to apply on areas like cheekbones, your nose bridge, or even your collarbone.
Whoa! Very cute! It's very
tiny.
Yeah, it's very small and
Yeah.
slim. This shape is actually inspired by the petals of cherry blossom.
Wow, this
A
is
bit
like
orangey.
coral. This is coral.
Yeah, you have to do this.
Oh yeah, I have to do this. Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow. So creamy again.
Whoa. I guess this one you look very fair.
Yeah, this will make
Yeah.
you look fairer, I think. This is fair, this is fairer. So
Then
this should
give
be
me
fairest.
Whoa.
Whoa! Like a gorgeous kind of green.
Yeah. Also,
With
each box comes with 2 nail color and 1 sticker.
Yes, can you
Yeah.
see like the
It's
colors?
really pretty.
Because it's a very nude, natural color with a little bit of glitters.
It's formulated with a lot of different oils, so it's very like it won't damage your nails. It protect your nails.
Yeah, and the new base formula is also more long wearing and long lasting.
Here comes the end of our unboxing video. Press like if you'd like to see more unboxing video, or comment to tell us what would you like to see next.
And do you remember we talked about the Jeju Cherry Blossom Pink Tag campaign? Remember to tag us on Instagram for all your pink posts. Remember to set your account to public so we can see your posts.
Yeah, and remember to like, follow, and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube page.
Click here to watch more Jeju Cherry Blossom videos.
And remember to
Yeah,
subscribe.
click.
We were told to do this for 5 seconds. If
How
you
long do
don't
you have to do
subscribe, you
this?
cannot stop.
How long more I have to do this?
Subscribe.
Please click here.